The Grand Strand is home to beautiful beaches, immaculate golf courses, exciting nightlife, and fun activities for all ages. Unfortunately, not every day is a day at the beach, but legal help is always within your reach. You need an experienced attorney working to secure the best possible outcome for you. When legal issues threaten to cloud your day at the beach, contact the law firm of McCutchen, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Geddie today, and let us assist you with your claim.
We are your lawyers at the beach.
Welcome back to Carolina and Company Live, and it's now time for Your Lawyers at the Beach.
That's right. They always cover some interesting stuff. Now, Jean's with us today. Now we're going to talk about something I see every day riding down the road.
Yes.
Somebody texting, Jean. That's unbelievable.
Correct. That is correct.
All right. Now, the law, let's see, what's the law right now in South Carolina? One just passed, I think, right?
Correct. Actually, up until last month, Cecil, we were one of the few states in the nation that did not have a text message ban law.
Right.
But Governor Haley signed a law into effect June the 9th, which prohibits someone who is operating a motor vehicle from sending, composing, or receiving and reading text-based communications.
Right.
Now, I think Montana is the other state that doesn't.
I believe you're
That's
correct.
the very last state
I
that has
think
no text
Montana,
ban.
we were just ahead of Montana.
Well, I tell you, I think it's a great thing. I pulled up beside a lady yesterday, and she was texting. And I looked at her and held my phone up. I said, and she kind of she signaled something to me. I wasn't sure what it was. She didn't like it, though.
Not a pleasant signal.
Not a pleasant signal.
So
right,
what
now,
happens if you get pulled over? What kind of?
What's the deal now?
Yeah.
Well, the law involving text messaging is, like I said, very new. First of all, right now there is a 180-day grace period, which is in effect, which means if you get pulled over, all you're going to get is a warning ticket. But from that point forward, once that grace period is over, which will be the end of this year, there will be penalties enforced, which right now is a $25 fine, which is the second most lenient in the nation. Only California, who has a $20 fine, has a more lenient fine. Now compare that with someone like Alaska, where the fine is $10,000 if you violate the text messaging ban.
That's a lot. Now, are there any moving violations? Like, is it a moving?
Actually, once you start getting these tickets, if you are found guilty, so to speak, of violating the text message ban, it is not considered a criminal violation. It's not reported to the Department of Motor Vehicles, doesn't go into your insurance company.
You don't gain any points from it.
Don't lose any points. So it's merely the $25 fine. So we'll see what kind of deterrent this is on distracted driving, which the law is obviously aimed at. There are also a lot of exceptions to the law. It doesn't apply to GPS systems. It doesn't apply to hand-free devices. But it does apply to any type of text message, SMS message, Facebook messaging, electronic email, Snapchatting, those kinds of things.
All right, well, I got to ask you this. It says on there that you can do it when you're stopped, like at a stoplight or something.
That's correct. If you are lawfully parked or stopped, so at a stoplight, stop sign, then you can send and receive text messages.
Really?
The other thing that's important, I would tell you very quickly, is that the officer must have a clear, unobstructed view in order to charge you with this.
Okay. He's got to see it.
He's got to see it, and he cannot take your phone from you to check and see if you were, in fact, text messaging.
Well, how about that? All right. We appreciate it. Our lawyers at the beach, they always keep us informed of things going on. If you've got something you want to ask us, send us a question, and we'll be glad to talk to them about it. All right?
All right. We'll be back after this.